It's such a beautiful day to get out and kayak. Look at this view. It's just so pretty. It's such a beautiful day to be on the lake. Seems like I'm the only person on the lake. But I'm not. Bert's right there and Dan is right there. I'm just a little slow in kayaking. So for lunch I have a chicken, apple, and peppers all wrap. One bite. Let's go. And some chips. It's delicious. And a pretzel. You see all the vultures? There's so many of them. Right here is where we went kayaking. We didn't see no crocodiles. And then you come over here. They have all these trees and it smells so good. It smells like pine. A little bit of information about where we went kayaking. These trees smell so freaking good. It's everybody's old Christmas trees. So after kayaking, I'm just gonna go to the beach and do a little metal detecting. If I don't find anything, if not, it's always fun to do. I got my headphones on and I'm ready to go. Let's go. So what did I find metal detecting? A couple of pennies, a dime, so about 15 cents. Hello friends and family. Today I just ran a 5K. I came in like 18th or 12th place. And that's my BIM number. Right here is where you get your snacks at. Your refreshments after running. So after my race, I'm just gonna enjoy this beautiful view. And I got my morning coffee thanks to Daniel. This beautiful run today on this beautiful beach. Oh wait. Now we're just walking on the beach, but the last one's finishing. Well, I'm back at my van. Just finished my race. That's my medal, and that's my bib number. Freaking awesome, man. So after my run, I got washed up, laid down, took a nap a little bit, enjoyed my hot tub right there, soaked off all that sweat. But thanks for watching, and hope you enjoyed it. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in 2 weeks.